morning and welcome to Two Piece en Español. How are you?
Good morning. Doing fine. Thanks. How are you?
Fine, super. Yeah, like this kid, like a super, yeah, ready to do everything. Okay, so this saying, like este refrán, it's a lo hecho pecho.
A lo hecho, pecho.
Yeah, it's super short, but I think it says a lot. So first we have the verb hacer, that it's to do.
Okay.
He No, in this case it's e. I thought it was he, but no, in this case it's
Okay.
e. It's the verb haber, like, but to I mean it's the verb haber, but it's the conjugated to have in the first person. Yo he or tú has.
Okay.
So yeah, I am pretty sure many American people could confuse the he because I was like a he and it's not e. Okay, and
Exactly.
then hecho. It's the past participle of hacer, that it's to do. So it's like an auxiliar. So yo he hecho, I have done,
Okay.
or tú has hecho. Okay, yeah.
All right. All right.
Next. So hecho, it's also a fact, like an event or something that you have done, and a deed, hechos, you know. And pecho is your chest.
Okay.
Okay. So now the saying, it says that something that you have done, you have to to be with the consequences, to
Mhm.
face the music. So it's like, for example, when you let's say we stole something, and
Yeah.
now we have to face the consequences.
Right.
So it's like a lo hecho, pecho. So you have to be brave and like a to to receive the consequences. So that's
Yeah.
the thing.
Yeah. It's kind of there's like in African American vernacular, there's that saying, like say it with your chest, right? Kind of.
Oh, really? I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Well, like it's yeah, I think it seems to be the same, a
Mhm.
similar, like, but I was just interested because it's the same, like chest has the same connotation there, right? Like
Yeah.
own it, own it, like say it with your chest or something like that.
Yeah, you're right. It's when you are if someone says like, "Hey, you have to be like a to be standing up like a super brave," the first thing that you do is to make bigger your chest, right? Like a,
Yeah, 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 right, right. Inflate yourself.
yeah,
Yeah,
like a what's it? Like a turkey. Tu, 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 tu. You know?
yeah,
So I like this one, a lo hecho pecho, because it rhymes and it's super cool.
exactly.
Yeah.
And it's a tricky conjugation there, so that's a good one to,
Oh yeah, that this is yeah, because hacer it's a lot of things that you say like you can use it like a yo he hecho, you know, like an auxiliar. But el hecho it's also like this one, like a fact.
yeah, like the thing you did.
Mm-hmm. In something like yo he hecho, it's like a past participle. Yeah. So I think this is super interesting and you learned so many words and verbs and adjectives. But thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.